Hey guys, today I have for you another light review. Our friends at Fositan sent me this light and this stand to check them out and to show you what they are capable of. So to start, let's see this stand. It's an aluminium stand. These are plastic. This is aluminium, this is aluminium, this is plastic. There's not a lot of magic to it. What do we have here? The light, power brick, battery, NPF 550. We have a ball head for the light. We have the battery charger, remote control for the light, and here we have a hot shoe adapter for the light. This can be screwed in here, and you can put that light like so. Then you can plunk this over your DSLR camera. It comes also with this filter. One thing I always would like to add to any light packs is more filters, more densities, some more clear, some more dense, so you have a variety of options. This light is bicolor. That means you have the cooler setting and the warmer setting. It also has 8 levels of intensity. If you use the 100% intensity level, you're going to be using all the lights. If you use only the cooler setting, you're going to be using half of those. To put the filter on and off, super easy. Down here, done. It won't fall. To switch that on, press this middle button here. You keep it pressed for 3 seconds and it will switch on. If you go to the right, this is going to increase the intensity of the light. To the left, the opposite. Low, you're going to go lower temperature, which means warmer setting. Up is going to be a cooler light. But before I switch off all the lights and show you how this light performs on its own, let's try the remote. So I put the battery in, I'm gonna press on, and it works, and off. This remote control can also be used as a remote shutter for Canon Nikon cameras. Okay, let's switch off all those lights and let me show you how this works on its own. Lights. Okay, so all lights are off, and the only light on is this one now. The settings for my camera now are ISO 800, shutter speed 125 and f4. This is the lowest setting for this light and also the warmest setting. Arm's reach. I would not look straight into the light, like ever. I'm going to change the color temperature for the light and I'm going to go towards the coolest setting. So this would be the coolest setting for the light. It's the same intensity. Let's go to the full brightness for the light. I mean, if you keep this light fairly close, you have an extremely bright light. If you want to use this light outside, I would use it for a fill light. I don't think this, during daylight, I don't think that will be strong enough to counteract the sun. At night, different story, obviously. Indoors, as you see, that's a good light. I really like the option of being able to mount this on the camera. I think that can be a very good solution for those moments where you're really in need of some light that you can't push your camera further, and just have this very handy. You can also carry it like I'm doing right now. Now, the lifespan of those batteries, NPF 550, for these lights, at full brightness, they say it's around 30 minutes. So if you're going to use these outdoors with the batteries, I would recommend you get some NPFs 970, something that will give you a little longer lifespan than those 550. Now, one thing I didn't tell you is that I have one of these lights installed behind me. This remote control is the same one for this light, look, off and on. But if I point this one behind me, so the remote control is not linked to the light, it actually works for both lights, the same remote, or 3 lights, whatever many you have. That means if you have 2 lights around you, you might have to get closer to one light than the other to change the settings. I'm leaving the links down in the description if you want to go check those out for yourself, and then let me know what you think, how they work for you. They sell those in 1, 2, and 3 packs. If you have any more questions, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you next time.